Namaskar my dear friends. Let us try to simulate an LED in Multisim. So what is our intention is we will try to construct one simple circuit like let us say one resistor, one voltage source and one LED, and we'll try to glow it at a particular frequency. So what I have done is I have taken a source of 500 millisecond on time and 500 millisecond off time, that is 1 second time period. Okay. So in this case, what I have done is I have taken a source, I have taken one resistor and then one LED, and these grounds are there down. So my aim is to make sure the LED which is rating is 5 milliampere. It means the current flowing through this must be more than that. Okay. So to measure the current, what I have done is I have connected one ammeter here and voltmeter here. So ammeter probe and voltmeter probe is there. So if you want, you can put it probes from here, voltage probe, current probe, like that. All right. And power probes as well. So if we just run it, it will keep on glowing at an interval of 500 millisecond. So let us run it. This is the run button. If you want, you can go ahead with simulate also, and then here run button is there. All right. Or if you want, you can analyze the simulation for a particular time period as well. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll just run this and let us see, it is glowing at a 500 millisecond interval, and you can see the DC current that is flowing through this is 6.6 milliamperes. If you want, you can change the resistance value to make it little bit high intense or low intense, right? So dim LED or bright LED kind of thing you can make sure that way. So let me change it and show it to you. So just double click this, and instead of 220, let us say I'll put it 330 ohm. Okay. Now let us run it. So you can see the current has reduced, and this is how it will be glowing little lower intensity. Similar to that, we can have various other projects as well. So we'll see that in our next sessions. Thank you.